Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious holiday breakfast or everyday breakfast. So for this, you are going to be needing a handful of chopped spinach, and I have some cooked turkey sausage here, and you'll be needing 2 teaspoons of Epis, which I call Haitian spice. I do have a video up on this channel showing you guys how I make it. Check the card above to take you to that video. And I have 1 lime. I'll be using some chopped onions, some chopped red and green peppers, and some chopped tomatoes. And I have 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. You'll be needing some hot sauce. I'm using sriracha. And you'll be needing some cheese. I have cheddar and mozzarella cheese. And you'll be needing a cooking spray to spray your pan. And I have 12 eggs that I'll be using. And you need the pan to make your muffin eggs. And also you're going to be needing some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. So first thing I'm going to start with is spray my pan with some cooking spray. I'll be using maybe 9. Actually, I'll spray the whole thing, and if I don't use it, that's fine. So spray it, set it to the side, okay? And with my eggs, I like to squeeze some lime juice in there, just because I really love the flavor, and I feel like it helps. You know how eggs have that strong smell? I feel like with that, it definitely helps, okay? And next, you want to go ahead and put in that Epis. I'm actually going to make 2 without veggies because one of my child is so picky. He just does not like vegetables at all. So you want to go in and beat your eggs. I wish I used something else for this, but it's okay. We'll get it done. So I'm going to add my heavy cream to it. Okay, we are going to get this done. What's you guys' plan for Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving is around the corner. Don't forget to check out my videos so you can use my recipes for Thanksgiving. And if you do use them, share with me a little bit. Okay, I'll put all the onions. Okay, so with the vegetables, I didn't really tell you guys any measurements, just because you guys can use as much or as little as you want. So I'm going to go in with some black pepper, okay, some salt, of course. It's so hard to add the right amount of salt to eggs, but just make sure you don't make any salty eggs, guys. So I'm going to taste. I don't mind tasting my raw eggs. I know some people can't handle it. I can't eat raw eggs, but I don't mind tasting it. Okay, just like that. So because, like I told you guys, one of my child does not like vegetables, so I'm going to go ahead and assemble his. He'll get 2, and I'll put in his eggs. Okay, just like that. So now I'll set it to the side, and I can mix everything. So I got the sausage in there, I got the peppers. If you haven't followed me on my social media platform, please go ahead and do so. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I will leave the link for all of them down in the description box. Okay, and then go ahead and put in your spinach. I like putting everything in together because it's going to be all mixed up anyways. So I save myself the heartache and just mix it all. I do have another casserole, breakfast casserole video that is also easy to make around the holidays. Check the card that just came above this video to take you to that video as well. Okay. Okay. So now I'll add a little bit of hot sauce, my sriracha sauce, as much or as little as you want. Just mix that in, good mix. Okay. And remember to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So now just pour some in the muffin tin. Okay. So do you guys cook on the Thanksgiving holidays, or do you go to your parents' house? What's you guys' plan? Let's chit chat. Let me know what you guys going on. If you don't cook, you should try cooking this year. Definitely use my recipes. And you can always ask me any questions you have. It's easier to find me on Snapchat or Twitter. Okay? You can ask me any questions and I will definitely get back to you as soon as I can. Okay? Okay, now time to put in my cheese. And my cheese bag is being stubborn. So I'll put the cheese right on top of them. This is really quick. You can make this during the week if you take food to work, if you are a busy working person or a busy mom. You can definitely make these and grab as your kids are walking out the door for school. Or just, if you just want to eat these, just in general. And these are pretty healthy too, so. I'm going to put in the mozzarella as well. You don't have to. You can use any type of cheese that you want. I really like using Gouda cheese on here as well, but I don't have any Gouda on hand. So now I'm going to throw these in under the oven, 350 degrees, and let them bake for 20 minutes. All right, guys, my muffin eggs are done. As you can see, they are easy to take out and it's nice and golden around the sides. So I'm going to take one out. Okay, I sprinkled some green scallions. I just chopped up some green scallions and sprinkle on top just for some pretty color. I'm going to cut into one for you. Okay, as you can see, that look delicious. Again, you can do this recipe if you have a lot of family members over for Thanksgiving. Instead of making scrambled eggs, just make these and everybody can just come and help themselves. I'm going to taste. Pretty hot. So good. I'm glad I added that little piece of meat in there. You can add turkey, piece of turkey in there if you want. You can add leftover Thanksgiving turkey in there. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.